Hello everyone, welcome to Rishikul Online School. It is module number 5 of chapter 3. So second chemical property is the reaction of metals with water. Metals react with water to give either metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas or metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. Whenever the metal reacts with cold water or hot water, it gives metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. But when it reacts with steam, it gives metal oxide and hydrogen gas. So let's see some examples why it is making metal hydroxide and metal oxides with different kinds of water, because of its reactivity. Like potassium, which is very reactive metal, it reacts violently with cold water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So the chemical equation will be K means potassium, it reacts with cold water, H2O, it gives potassium hydroxide means KOH, and hydrogen gas is released plus H2, and a lot of heat energy is also released, so it catches fire with cold water. Again, sodium is also very reactive. It reacts vigorously with cold water, forming sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So Na plus H2O gives NaOH plus hydrogen gas, and again a lot of heat energy is released, so it also catches fire with cold water. Now next example is calcium, which reacts with cold water, but it does not release heat, so it does not catches fire. It also forms calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So Ca plus H2O gives CaOH twice plus H2. It is a chemical equation. Now magnesium, it is also less reactive, so it does not react with cold water. It is not reacting with cold water. When we dip magnesium ribbon or any magnesium powder in cold water, it does not react, but it will react when the water is hot. So magnesium metal does not react with cold water, but it reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So Mg plus H2O gives MgOH twice plus H2 gas. So it is according to the reactivity of metals. Now next thing is like aluminium. It does not react with cold water or hot water. It reacts with steam to form aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. It is forming its oxide, not hydroxide. So Al plus H2O gives Al2O3 means aluminium oxide plus hydrogen gas. Again, zinc also reacts with steam to give zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. Zn plus H2O gives ZnO plus H2. And red hot iron reacts with steam to form iron oxide and hydrogen gas. So Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2.